Hello YouTube, we are back with episode number 36 of the Minecraft single player adventure. Oop. And I'm gonna need to get this iron. Lava takes forever to flow now, like stop flowing. Like this is gonna take, well, that probably won't take that long, but if you remember last episode I blocked it off up there and it's slowly stopping. That was risky right there. Oh no, no, no! Alright, I think that's a good enough barrier. And like the lava's gonna come pouring in. Oh no! Alright, I have to remember this spot. That right here. Oh no! Oh. My guy is so sad. Oh, respawn. Alright. Run back there. Alright, I'll sleep first. Then close the door. Nothing bad happens. What's that noise? It's odd. Alright, follow the gravel. You have, for once, proved yourself useful gravel. Though I could have done it with any other block. So. Whoa, whoa. Run, run, run. Well, I'm not actually running because I don't want to waste my food, but. Where to jump down? I feel like I would die if I jumped all the way down, but that's kind of what I'm planning on doing. Let's do this. Oh, that noise is very disturbing. I wince every time I hear it. Alright. Oh god, this is a mess. Alright, so we put the pick there, that pick there, that there. I had the useless stuff over here. Sorry, this is kind of just kind of picky like this. That looks good. Alright. Let's go get this iron that I died for. Please don't tell me it's only 2. Okay, good. Oh yeah. 4 iron. Ooh, I want that. Was it right above here? Yes, it was. Alright, dirt. Nope. Again, I am rewarded with more than 2. Oh, more than 4. Possibly 6. Oh, no, 0.5. Whoa. A shovel. Dirt can always come in handy. Oh wait, you know what I should do? Oh, I need to put down the crafting table. Another thing, another update, in case you didn't know, is he made, kind of off topic, Notch made destroying fences a lot easier, made destroying redstone a lot easier, various other things that people hated destroying just because it took so long. Made them a lot easier to destroy. I'm gonna get lost down here. Redstone, I think I already said that. Oh well. Ooh. It's probably the end right here. Not the episode of the rift. Oh. There's still chance. No, it looks like the end. Some coal up there. Won't bother for that. Ooh, that's unpainful again. Alright, you two, come back for number 37.